Standard 3rd, Subject EVS. Today we are going to learn lesson number 6, Getting to Know the Place We Live in. So students, now let's start with our new lesson. So students, much before the discovery of farming, man lived a nomadic life, and his food then was mainly made of fruits, and he also searched for bulbs and roots. So children, we also search for the animal flesh too from the forest, and he dug out bulbs and roots from the ground. And we also see for the hunted animals for our food too. And many years later, man discovered farming. So students, now there was no need to him to move from one place to another for searching a food, and he began to settle places where he found a suitable land and water. And he also began to build houses in such a places and settle there. So children, and with each other helps, we did our farming too, and their houses were very close to each other, and thus settlements were found. These settlements began to grow bigger. Many settlements merged together and formed a village. So children, staying together created a sense of protection in them. With the discovery of farming, men's work increased, and he realized that he could not do all the work on his own. So they divided the work. Various occupations, merchant, craftsmen got engaged in different occupations, and like making and repairing tools. And they also do the work of weaving cloth, jewelry making, pottery, and etc. And commonly every village consists of either a famous temple, mosque, church, cave, monument, fort, museum, etc., which gives the village an identity. So children, this helps to understand the history of the village. So students, these buildings are our treasures. These historical buildings must be protected, and it's our responsibility to protect them. So children, 18th of April is celebrated as World Heritage Day. This day is celebrated to create awareness amongst the people about their cultural heritage and the efforts that are required to protect and conserve them. And some historical monuments around the world are known as World Heritage Site, and many villages are famous because of their fairs, moors, and their religious places and forts. For example, Raigad district got his name from the Raigad fort, the capital of Shivaji Maharaj. So students, remaining part of this lesson will be learning in the next lecture. Thank you.